500 megahertz.
Oh!
Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Butler, and Clarion. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, northwestern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, southwestern Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania until 3:15 p.m. At 2:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Shannon Northview, or 7 miles north of Butler, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Butler, Reimersburg, Homaker, Medora, Shannon Northview, Meridian, Meadowood, Oak Hills, Chicora, East Brady, Parker, East Butler, Sligo, Inlenton, Bruin, St. Petersburg, West Liberty, Eau Claire, Petrolia, Carn City, and Callinsburg. This includes Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 47 and 51. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.